for this example, we have the equation 2 absolute value x minus 2 plus 1 equals 7, and we have to solve for x. So the first thing we have to do is we always have to have the absolute value isolated before we can do anything. So we have to subtract the 1 from both sides. So we have 2 absolute value x minus 2 equals 6. Now we still have to divide by this 2. So we have absolute value of x minus 2 equals 3. Now that we have the absolute value isolated, we can make two equations. X minus 2 equals positive 3, and x minus 2 equals negative 3. So we just have to solve these now. We add 2 to both sides. So we should get x equals 5. We can add 2 to both sides on this side. And we should get x equals negative 1. We can mentally check this. If we plug in negative 1 minus 2 is negative 3. The absolute value of negative 3 is 3, times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So this one works. We can do the same thing with a 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. The absolute value of 3 is 3, times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So they both work. They're both valid solutions. And that's it.